Meaning of cybernetic. Cybernetic. Cybernetic.
Cybernetic. Cybernetic. The term cybernetic is often used to describe systems that are designed to function like living organisms, using feedback and control mechanisms to adjust their behavior based on changing conditions. These systems may include artificial intelligence, robotics, and other advanced technologies. The result of cybernetic systems is a highly adaptive and dynamic system that can respond to changes in its environment in real time, making it well-suited for complex tasks such as autonomous vehicles, smart cities, and advanced manufacturing processes. However, there are concerns that these systems may also bring new risks and challenges, such as the potential for unintended consequences or loss of control.